Roblox redeem code, how to use. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can redeem Roblox code and how you can use them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem a Roblox code, and that if you'd like to use them, all you have to do is basically actually open up your browser. Then once you open your browser, I'll make sure to drop this link below directly, where you have to go to roblox.com/redeem. I repeat, roblox.com/redeem. I'll make sure to drop a link below as well, where once you go to the website, you'll find a box that says redeem Roblox codes. Now if you're not already signed in, you want to make sure to sign into your Roblox ID there, and then from there on just make sure to enter the code over here, and if your code is correct, you can tap the redeem option to redeem it, and then you can use them on any games or any of the other services that Roblox might offer. This way you can redeem Roblox code. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.